Today we're diving into budget-friendly healthy recipes that'll make your taste buds dance without breaking the bank. First up, festive pasta salad with hard salami, cucumber, cheese, corn, mushrooms, celery, garbanzo beans, tomatoes, penne pasta, garlic, onion tossed together with an Italian vinaigrette and herbs for some freshness. Make a simple hearty soup by clearing out the fridge and freezer. I like a hearty, authentic lemon chicken noodle soup with tons of celery, onions and carrots, perfect for fall. Slow and low, let that baby simmer all day. Be sure to take your favorite baguette or bread with margarine. Another awesome thing I can't stop doing is fermenting. Pickling. Grab any veggies around the house and pickle them. Add vinegar, water, salt and spices you'd like in your pickling. You can extend the life of many foods and extend shelf life by curing with salt, dehydration and/or fermentation. Pro tip: leftovers are your best friend. Reduce, reuse, recycle. Save money and food. Thanks for watching. Share your budget-friendly recipes in the comments, and stay tuned for more smart shopping tips in our next video. Happy cooking!